All right, just got this grinder today. Need it for the pink salt. Easy instructions. Looks like you can adjust. So I put a little bit here in the glass container. This comes off really easy for filling. Whoops. So that's that's easy. Looks like mostly plastic pieces. Screws on, very easy for refilling. And this little guy tightens to get a larger grind or a smaller grind. So I'm gonna make it real small here and just see. All right, so I did grind some up just to kind of test it out. I'm gonna try it with a small grind. Oh, that looks great. That's really small. Let's lefty-loosey. See if we can get a bigger grind. Oh. Yep. All right, this is pretty easy to do. And I'd say this goes on when it's not in use. Not too bad. Thumbs up.
This might be our favorite style of salt and pepper grinders. The grinding part is awesome. You flip it over and grind it out, but that lid protects the top from getting super gunky. We've had the grinders before that just stand on the grinding part and they get a lot dirtier on the bottom, so I like this version much better.
On the left is my old one, 3 turns. This is the new one, 3 turns. Garbage.